If you are standing at the same workstation in a static position the entire day, then you know what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, your feet hurt, your legs feel heavy, you start to feel it in your lower back, and that is exactly what we designed the Reborn W2 for. It's made 100% in our factory in Belgium of resilient, high-density foam that will give you lasting comfort for up to 8 hours cumulative standing per day. It is a real standing workstation upgrade. The ideal solution for production workstations, assembly areas, packing stations, laboratories, or any other dry standing work environments. We offer choice between a durable diamond pattern surface for industrial environments or bubble pattern surface for more commercial or tertiary applications. The mats are always finished with a precision beveled edge to prevent tripping. It is available in mats, rolls, and custom lengths. If you need any help finding the right solution for your standing workstations, contact us.